How are you? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Are you from Delhi? Okay, nice to meet you. I'm from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Have you been Odisha? Wow. Have you been? Mhm. Konak Temple, Puri Jagannath Temple, Lingaraj Temple. Wow. Then what do you do? Are you a student or are you working? Okay, I don't do anything. I'm unemployed. And do you wanna enhance your English speaking or do you wanna just interact with language learner? Wow. How long have you been working there? No, you told you are working, right? Last 2 years. Okay. Are you working in private, government or IT department? Wow. Then are you born and raised in Delhi or are you working in there? Yeah, I know Gurgaon is a IT hub, right? All people go to work in there. If anyone want to search any type of job, then they get job easily in Gurgaon, right? It is nearest from Haryana also, and it is nearest from Delhi also, right? Okay, that good. And are you born and brought up in Delhi, or are you from different states in India? Okay, you are from Haryana, but you are working in Gurugram, right? Okay, that's good. What's your qualification? Which department have you completed your graduation? Wow. Mhm. Mhm. Wow. Then did you get that job through campus selection or did you appear in an interview? Okay. Do you like that profession or do you wanna change different profession? Okay, that's good. Okay, are you work from home or do you go to office daily? Okay. Mm-hmm. Then what time do you go to office? What time do you come back from office? What time do you get your lunch break time? Hmm. Okay. Then your company provide accommodation everything? Okay. And do you have any kind of dress code or do you wear a casual dress? Okay. Do you talk with anyone in English at office? Your colleagues, your boss, your okay, which language do you speak each other? Hindi. Okay, what's your native? Right, right. How many languages do you know? Okay. Mm-hmm. Wow. Then you can speak four languages, right? I can speak fluently my mother tongue, Odia. I cannot speak I cannot speak fluently Hindi, English, and I can understand Bengali because Bengali and Odia are similar each other. I can understand, but I cannot speak fluently like them. Right, right. Yeah, right, right. That is similar with the Odia language, little bit similar. Alphabet are different because Hindi and Urdu both are speaking parts similar, right? But alphabet are different from each other, right? That kind Odia and Bengali speaking part little bit similar each other. They also can understand Odia, but they cannot speak like us. We also can understand Bengali, but we cannot speak like them. That kind of. That's good. Then you always interact with your boss, colleagues in Odia language. Oh, sorry, Hindi language, right? Sorry, I spoke Odia right now. That's why I told that kind of. Yeah. Then right now, do you get your lunch break time, right? Okay. How far from your office to your residence? Wow. Then it is so near, right? I think you staying inside your office campus, that kind of, or what else? Hmm. Okay. Then why are you searching, friend? Why are you searching? Why are you searching? Make a friend. Hmm. Oh, why you? Uh-huh, uh-huh. Why did you write your name handsome man? Are you so handsome? Or what else? Or you tell yourself I'm handsome? Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good because uh, okay, why do you wanna make friend? Tell me. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Arey, don't explore. You don't worry because you get easily a tourist guider, right? They guide you, right? If you अरे गाइड कर पाएंगे ना वो तो गाइड कर देंगे क्या जो भी पूछेंगे ना वो गाइड कर देंगे राइट नो नीड टू एनी टाइप ऑफ फ्रेंड राइट एम आई राइट हेलो हाँ हाँ ओ okay I got your point if you take any guider then they means take money right then otherwise how that is their job that's why you if you make any friend then you don't take any guide or advice and you go there to visit right mm-hmm. Right. Mhm. Right but it's okay to Hmm. Okay, you went to Rameswaram. That is a different, right? South part, they hire that kind of amount. Maybe if you come to Odisha, Odia people guide or they never hire that kind of money. I think so. If you go to tourist bus, they tourist driver or their guide or they guide everything. Small amount, I think so. But it's so. Pardon, pardon.